A question that I get quite often is what makes EFT so effective? So let me break it down. So we all have an autonomic nervous system, which is the part of our nervous system that connects our brain to our most internal organs. And with this autonomic nervous system, it has two parts. It has the sympathetic and the parasympathetic part. Your sympathetic nervous system is responsible for managing emergencies and stressful events. Therefore, when you're dysregulated or activated, your sympathetic nervous system becomes overly dominant and you step into that fight or flight response. This puts your body in that high state of stress, and you may not have any control of how you're thinking, feeling, or behaving. On the flip side, your parasympathetic nervous system is actually a network of nerves that relaxes your body after being activated, like after a stressful event. So this is where EFT comes into play, because when you use EFT after being activated or triggered, you actually bring the parasympathetic nervous system back online. Also known as you engage the parasympathetic nervous system, which ultimately helps you to rest and relax. So if you're a person that struggles with depression, anxiety, or other heavy emotions, I highly, highly recommend that you incorporate EFT into your routine. EFT is a blend between thought field therapy as well as acupuncture, and there's a ton of scientific research behind proving the value of emotional freedom techniques, aka tapping. So I challenge you to give EFT a try, because now you understand why.